Go Live Day 5. Hi everyone, Milos here. Hope you're all doing great. I was thinking maybe I'll be able to do one short video per day, but the reality is that when the Go Live takes over, you're fully in, fully committed. This morning, I took a little bit of time just to give you what's really important in an SAP EWM implementation and what to take care of. Definitely, the number one thing is to secure the outbound. Whether you have a manufacturing site or you have a distribution center, it's really important that you're able to ship your goods to the customers or to the next plant that needs it. The reason why is because, of course, shipping to customers means sales, means invoicing, means a key factor to a successful company of any kind. Usually, if you're not able to ship your goods, you lose the trust of your customers and also you lose revenue. So that's a financial impact. Look at the outbound, make sure it is working. The second thing is tickets management. It's a bit controversial. You need to manage all the issues, all the incidents, tickets, whatever the name you give it, bug that you find during the go live. You need to track them, record them, check how long it takes to fix them, assign the right people to fix them, and make sure you make progress in fixing any issue during the hypercare. But at the same time, in my personal experience, it's also important to understand the situation you have on hand. While ticket management is mandatory and fundamental, at the same time, you need to know what's happening in the production. You need to know what's happening in the shipping office. So if there's some issues that need immediate attention and you need to unblock a delivery to ship it out, well, guess what? I will leave those tickets hanging and make sure we ship those trucks out. Yes, the tickets are an absolutely mandatory way to control what's happening and to measure the success, but at the same time, they're not everything. Keep that in perspective and make sure that you have the right ticket incident management during the hypercare. And one last thing, anyone who made a go live, it can happen that you have some specific issues or challenges during the operations where if you were to follow the normal path and properly analyze the issue, it would take you longer. It would take you time that potentially you don't have during the go live. For example, if you need to ship a truck and for whatever reason you have the goods issue managed that got stuck between EWM and S4, the core ERP, and you're not able to process the goods issue, then what do? So if you have a way to technically push it, although it's not a conventional or standard way, for example, changing the specific data that got stuck in the queue, then basically you need to make that choice, that decision. Now, for compliance reasons, of course, you should not be pushing or forcing the system. In Italian, my Italian colleagues, friends, call it MARTELLATA, to basically hammer an information in the system to push it and to make the system work. Usually you don't want to do this, it's not compliant, but at the same time, if you have a truck that is waiting to be loaded and you have just one thing that is blocking it and you could unblock the truck and ship it out, I believe it's like a knife. It's how you use it. It's not that the knife is bad intrinsically, it's rather how do you use the tools you have at your disposal and who gives you the authorization to use them. So as long as you're fully aligned with the business stakeholder, with the key decision maker, as long as they understand what you're doing, and as long as everything is tracked, so not just by words, but in writing with the proper authorizations, the martellata, as we call it, the ability to push things in the system when they're needed in a timely manner is really one of the keys on making sure you have a successful execution, successful operation, and successful go live. Of course, use with caution, with the right authorization, but if you have those skills and you're able to push the deliveries that get stuck or anything that is blocking the operation very quickly, then that's definitely a key asset to keep in any go live. Wow, okay, I think I said enough. It's time for me to go for breakfast and then have another intense day for my current go live. I wish you all the best. If you have any questions or tips, then make sure you post them in the comments. If you have your own tips about your own go live moments, maybe you can share. I would be very interested to hear from you as well. But for now, I need to go. So have a great day, everyone, and speak soon.